Can someone balance 2 jobs in cybersecurity to venture into a 6-figure? I did this before. I was working remotely and then I was working 2 jobs remotely full time. It was a nightmare. I will not do that again. So yes, you can. You got to make sure that you're not there's no legal issues. Make sure there's no conflict of interest. Like you're not working for Verizon and T-Mobile or some shit like that. There's certain things that you cannot do. So you have to do 2 different industries. Some organizations don't care. They're like, cool, I don't care, just get my stuff done. But some really do care. And especially if there's a conflict of interest, because you can get them legally in trouble for that. Pros, man, the money's really good. Of course, the money is outstanding. You're gonna make $2,000, $3,000, $100,000 a year, some stupid number. You got job security. Cons, you're gonna work yourself to death, man. Cybersecurity is very stressful. What would happen is there'd be an issue over here, and then at the same time there'd be an issue over here at the other company. At the same time, I don't recommend it at all. It's terrible. I did it a long time ago, and I will never do that again because it's just not worth my time. I was working 24/7. I was working on the weekends to get the reports done. And at the time, I got lucky because I had 2 jobs that didn't have a lot of work. Years and years ago, I did it at the same time, and both of them were kind of mellow, but every now and then, they just get chaotic. So to answer your question, you can do it. Do I recommend it? Absolutely not. Just get one good job and just do your best on that one good job. If you want to side money, do something else, man. Do something on the weekends. Make your hobby make money or something like that. I don't recommend another job in cybersecurity. I recommend a couple side hustles, something like that.